So hi everybody, today we're taking a look at the Aurzen Google TV. Hey, Google has Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, Easy D1G, Lifestyle Streaming Projector. We'll go ahead, open up the box, see what's inside, then we'll see what it has to offer. So stay tuned. It's time for streaming. So hi everybody, and thanks for tuning in. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, you like what you're seeing, please go ahead, click on that like, subscribe, ring that bell. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for dropping on back in. So today we're taking a look at the Aurzen Google TV Projector. It's built-in Google TV, your lifestyle streaming projector. So with the Aurzen Google TV Projector, it does have 1080p, auto adjustment, 10,000 plus apps, and stereo sound. Let's go ahead now, take everything out of the box so we can see what's inside. Once we take it out of the box, you can see that it is nicely packaged. This way it doesn't bounce around during shipping, or if you're just going to put it away, it won't get damaged. It does come with a fast, quick, easy setup guide. It has step 1, step 2, step 3, and step 4. Nice and easy, just follow it, easy to set up. And of course, scan the QR code for warranty extension and some more tutorials. Once we get everything out of its wrappers, we do have a nice and easy D1G user manual. We do have some cleaning swabs with a nice little cleaning cloth. This way you can keep the lens clean. And you do have a nice remote, which does have shortcuts for YouTube, Netflix, Prime Video, and it works really great. And then, of course, we have our power supply. Taking a fast look on top of the projector, you do have your power button to the right. In the center, you have an OK button. And then, of course, on the other side, you do have your back button. You have up, down, left, and right buttons. Taking a look on the back of your projector, you have some nice fans. This way, it keeps the projector nice and cool, and it will not overheat. Turning the projector to its side, you do have one of the speakers. Looking at the front of the projector, you do have a nice cover for the lens. This way, it does not get damaged or dusty. Turning it to the other side, you do have an air outlet. You have your other speaker. This is what's going to give you your stereo sound. And don't forget, it does have Dolby audio. You do have an audio out, so you can put headphones into it if you like, or maybe another pair of speakers. You have USB 1, USB 2, you have HD in, and of course you have your power input. Turning the camera over right in the center, you do have a area where you can go ahead and put the camera onto a tripod. Or if you like, you can mount it to your ceiling and it will also get connected in this way. Over here, you have a nice little screw button. You turn it and it will raise up the camera if you're just putting it onto a table. Now, taking a closer look at the remote, on the top left, you do have your power button. Then right in the center, you have the microphone. And right below that, you have the button, which is your Google Assistant. This way you can talk into it and ask apps to open up if you like. Then, of course, you have your user profile. And then go down a little bit more. Right in the center, you have your OK button. And then we have our back button. We have our focus adjustment. And then we have our mute button. Coming on to the other side, we go ahead and we have the buttons for our streaming apps. Like I was telling you, just go ahead and press it. And it brings you right to your favorite streaming app. We have input source. That's the gear. You could go ahead and choose what input you would like. And then we go down and you have your settings. And we have navigation. And you also have a live guide button. That's the one that shows like the little TV signal right there. And of course, you can access your home page also. You have your volume up, volume down, channel down. It's a very nice functional remote. Let's go ahead now and hook up the projector so you can see what it has to offer. So now that we have the Aurzen camera all set up, let's go ahead and do what it says on the screen. You want to press and hold the home and back button for 3 seconds. Right now it's showing you the projection mode. You could do front desktop, front ceiling, rear desktop, rear ceiling. I got front desktop set up, so let's go down and click on next. Welcome, it says, and then you could go ahead and choose your language. I'm doing English. Let's go forward. Select your region or country. I'm in the United States. I'm going to go ahead and use that. Next, you have the option to go ahead and set up Google TV or set up basic TV. Let's set up Google TV. Now, of course, you can set up with the Google Home app, which I do have on my phone, or you can set up on the TV instead. I'm going to show you the steps, so I'm going to say, let's set it up on the TV instead. Let's go ahead now. Let me get to my Wi-Fi, set that up, and we'll be right back. After you go ahead and sign into your Wi-Fi, let's go ahead now and sign into your Google account. So after you go ahead and you sign in with your email address and you put in your password, then you're going to go ahead now and verify with the 2-step verification on your phone. Next, you want to go ahead and click on Accept. Now you're going to come up to the screen where it says Google Services. You can leave things on or turn things off. After you're done choosing all your settings that you want, go and accept. Now if you like, you go and search across all your TV apps. Right now, I'm saying no thanks. Activates voice match on this TV. I click I agree. Get personal results. I'm saying no thanks for now. Now you have the option to go ahead and select the home. Work, home, another home. I'm just saying home. Then I'm coming down and I'm going to choose my office. Choose your services. You can pick whatever you want. Once you're done, go over, click on confirm. Here is the Aurzen network policy. Click OK. Chromecast built in, always available. I like to put it on. So here we are. We're on the home screen of the Google TV by Aurzen. Let's go over to the right. Let's go to where the gear is. Click on the gear. Then what you need to do is come on down to where it shows System. Click on System. Go to About. Come on down. Here it is. It shows you the model number. Then it shows you the Android TV version that we're running, Android 11. And of course, if you know about Androids, you click on the build about several times, and now you are a developer. So I opened up YouTube, clicked on a 4K video for a test. This way you can see how well the projector plays your 4K videos. I'd like to thank Aurzen for sending me this great projector with built-in Google TV. Has Dolby audio, excellent sound, great picture quality. Thank you for watching. And remember, day or night, it's time for streaming.